Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am your host, David Lewis, and I want to thank you for dropping in today so I could give you a shot in the arm to get you started on this great week of success. You know, we all have some should-ya, could-ya, would-ya moments when we think about things we maybe didn't do right or things we are pretty sure we did wrong in our journey through life towards the goals we want to reach. They say hindsight is 20/20, and we've all had those 20/20 moments where we can see clearly that we should have done after we'd had done it. I don't know anyone who hasn't had second thoughts about things they wish they would have done differently that had a negative effect on their day and stopped them from being as productive as they could be today. But here's the thing. Today is a new day. Like the old Chinese proverb says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. But guess what? Did you? So does that mean you give up and settle for mediocrity or for less than you really want to achieve? Maybe it wasn't 20 years ago that you're thinking about. Maybe it was just last week or last month that you didn't do what you thought you should have. You didn't hit the numbers you were trying to hit. You didn't close as many deals as you wanted to or get your grosses as high as you'd hoped on the cars you'd sold. You didn't get the bonus you were sure you would get last month. Maybe like that Chinese proverb, your mind is telling you that the best time is behind you. But here's the great thing about time. If you missed it, you wake up the next day with a great opportunity to live it all over again. That may have been your best time then, but your second best time is now. If you don't think you did the right thing with the last customer you had that you thought was going to buy but didn't, think about what you can do differently and do it right with the next customer. The truth is, what should have, could have, would have happened but didn't has better prepared you for what's going to happen if you take the bull by the horns and make it so. What didn't you do last month that really got you down? Well, do it now. Do it today. Do it today and you can change what happens tomorrow, this week, and this month. Don't allow missed opportunities of the past to interfere with the opportunities that are right before you. Today is your opportunity to get it right, to make it better. Today is the day you're going to plant that second tree and start growing your new future. You can look at yesterday's lost opportunities as a failure or as a learning experience. Don't get hung up on what you didn't do. Get fired up about what you're going to do now. What you do now is going to change what you have tomorrow. Spending today complaining about yesterday won't make tomorrow better. What will make tomorrow better is what you do better today.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.